Hello everyone, Namaste. Welcome back to Sai Yoga YouTube channel. Today we will show you how to reduce your chest fat. First we will do twisting. You have to calmly bring your hands near your chest. Touch the tip of your finger to the other and start with twisting. With continuous breathings, concentrate on your countings. Repeat these 20 times of 2 sets each. Now we will do lift up high. In this, you have to keep your hands in the same position as the previous one and lift it up till your head portion. This exercise not only reduces your chest fat but also reduces and tightens your biceps and triceps. Concentrate on your breathings and countings. You have to do this each 20 times of 2 sets each. You have to keep a bright smile on your face and relax. Now we'll do chest press. You have to keep your hands in Namaskriya and turn it to press at the center and then slowly lift your hands up. This exercise will reduce your extra breast fat, biceps, triceps and even the back portion. It gives shape to your body. If you truly want to reduce your chest fat, you have to keep in mind that you have to avoid eating junk food and start eating fresh seasonal fruits and vegetables, especially leafy vegetables. Now we will do arm stretching. First you have to lock your hands at the back near your neck and now press it in the front. Now we will do this repeatedly. You can also have fresh seasonal fruit juices. In this video, we are not only showing you how to reduce your chest fat but also giving you some diet tips and prevention measures. And relax. Now we will do the second step of chest press. In this you have to stretch your hands up and down in opposite directions alternately and stretch with your arms. You have to concentrate on your breathings. When you get up early in the morning, you must have a glass full of lukewarm water and then go for some jogging or walking at 6 o'clock. When you're done with it, relax. Now keep some distance between your legs and now bend down. Bring your hands near your chest and stretch them as it is shown. Keep your legs as per the shoulder level. You can even hold dumbbells of 2 kgs or more. You have to keep always a bright smile on your face and see in the front. And when you're done with it, slowly relax. Now we will do push-ups. These push-ups are truly very useful in tightening of your biceps and triceps, in reducing with your chest fat and also to obtain with 6-pack abs. You have to tightly hold with one of the things like here shown is a bar and then start push-ups. You have to keep excess distance between the bar and your hands. You have to repeat this 20 times each during your exercise. Now we will do push-ups by lying down. You have to keep your legs in 90-degree angle in crossword. Without touching your chest to the floor, you have to do push-ups. Day by day, you have to increase the repeatings as per your capacity. As shown, it gives pain to your triceps and biceps. Now we will do flank. After you have been coming from jogging or walking, you must have or even you can eat your daily breakfast. And then after 1 hour or so, you can start with your daily workout. Your lunch must contain most of the nutrients present in the vegetables, like it may be sprouts, beetroot salads. Lunch can be very normal with chapatis or fulke and nutrient rich sabji. Now we will do the second step of a flank. In this you have to keep your hands in 90-degree angle for a second or a while, and then once again keep your palms to the floor. This will tighten your arms. You have to do this each 20 repetitions of 2 sets each. And now we will do lie down. You have to keep your legs in crossword, and then like a fish pose you have to come back and then swing in front smoothly and softly. If you get bored eating the same food every day, during the evening like snacks, you can have milk products like paneer or even lassi. You can just fry paneer on the pan and have it. And at the night in dinner, you have to eat very light food without containing much of the spices. Now this is shoulder touching. In this you have to one by one touch the opposite shoulder with opposite hand. You have to drink excess amount of water, at least 8 to 10 glasses of water every day. You have to concentrate on your breathings and the countings. And then relax. Now we will do neck stamps. In this, like a superwoman, you have to lift your legs and catch hold your hands near your leg, and then stretch both of them at the equal interval of a time. This is all the exercises you can do to reduce with your chest fat. Thank you for seeing this all the videos. Hope you have liked the video. Please like and share to our channel and subscribe. Keep remember to press the bell icon. Thank you.